Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to access the web browser on your PS4 in a simple and quick way. Start by turning on your PlayStation 4 and logging into your main account. From the home screen, scroll to the right and open the Library section. Now go to Applications and look for the Internet Browser app. If you see it, open it and you're ready to browse the web. If the browser is not visible, don't worry. Go back to the home screen, open Settings, then select User's Guide, Helpful Info, and User Guide. This will automatically open the built-in web browser. You can now enter any website using the address bar at the top. Use the controller to zoom, scroll, and navigate pages easily. You can bookmark sites for faster access later. This method works on all PS4 models and doesn't require any extra downloads or updates. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.